Welcome again. This time we are in the famous Parque La Mexicana, right here in Santa Fe, west of Mexico City. This is a very special occasion for me because I'm here with my best friend from childhood. This is Giovanni, he's from Peru, and we practically grew up together when we both lived in Los Angeles. After more than 20 years of not seeing each other, we're meeting again here in Mexico City. He is an architect, and that is why we decided to come to this impressive place called Santa Fe. Santa Fe, as I already mentioned, is an area located west of Mexico City. It includes the historical formation of the town of Santa Fe, the business district and residential and commercial areas developed back in the 1980s. Being one of the centers of greatest economic activity within the Mexican capital. It is located in what were previously sand mines and landfills. Now it is the headquarters of universities, private schools, as well as national or regional headquarters of various national and foreign companies and residential subdivisions. It is a very suitable place to admire modern architecture in Mexico. I thought it would be the most appropriate under the circumstances. In this beautiful outdoor market, you can even bring your loving and well-behaved canines. We rise above the Mexico City skyline just to contemplate this beauty from the air. Because in this place, there is a lot to see. By the way, this park has two small artificial lakes, very peculiar in color. We'll see them more closely in just a bit. It is a huge space, and it's got something for everyone. Children and adults, and let's not forget our furry friends from home. Being able to be in this park with my friend is a real privilege. To walk around and enjoy the view, the dancing fountains, playgrounds, the running track, which is one of the longest of its kind in a public park here in Mexico. It's about 2 kilometers long. Bike lane, dog-friendly area, restaurants, enough green areas, and a skate park. It also has a parking lot in case you drive here. Anyway, there is something to enjoy with the whole family.
Bueno, llegamos, pasamos la frontera. Sí, nos sirvió los entrenamientos de Mr. Fish.
Mr. Holland.
Mr. Holland, ahí que nos presionaba, funcionó.
10K, los 10Ks.
Los 10Ks funcionaron.
¿Y la maratón?
Así la maratón, por lo menos una, pero ya quedó en el...
3 horas y media, igualito lo hicimos.
Transmitiendo desde Santa Fe.
La Mexicana.
La Mexicana.
Voy a ver si me voy a ir a mojar. Y también tenemos un Starbucks en la parte posterior. Bueno, unos edificios que son, creo que centros comerciales y también son departamentos, ¿no?
Algunos.
Algunos tienen unas formas medio raras, pero bueno, así es la arquitectura en México.
¿Cuáles son tus primeras impresiones?
Bueno, un poco raro, bueno, pero me gusta porque es diferente a la ciudad. Hay buenos espacios para divertirse, sentarse y de repente pasar con familia. Y también traer a sus mascotas si es que uno lo tiene. Sí. Me encanta, vamos a ir a comer. ¿Cuánto estarán los platos? Depende en dólares.
I'll tell you our story real quickly. We met in junior high over 30 years ago, when neither one of us spoke a word of English. I guess that bonded us somehow from the beginning. Fortunately, Mrs. Jambra, a teacher who spoke Spanish, was there to rescue us and help us in any way possible. She was a true angel in our lives, just what we needed at the time. We always remember her and keep her in our hearts. Yes, it was a real challenge at the beginning due to the language issues, among other things, but we overcame that and many other things together, while enjoying everything new. Classmates, culture, food, with its difficult moments and challenges, we made it. We built up a good friendship. A couple of years later, in our high school years, we ran together, training for the school's track and field and cross-country teams. Our beloved Mira Costa. We ran practically every day, on the strand, by the beach. We helped each other out and cheered for each other. We saw each other grow up and mature. When the time came, we both got a job. We studied, worked, and ran every day. We trained hard for our races. We would give everything in each practice session. We got to see each other's triumphs. Well, I saw more of Giovanni's triumphs because I was never as good a runner as he was. And to be honest, I was just an average runner. I put a lot of effort into it, yeah, but the reality is that I didn't really have the talent for it, though I really enjoyed it. Once we finished high school, we went our own way, and we hardly saw each other after that. Let's remember that at the time there were no social networks, and the closest thing we had to them were smoke signals. So after a couple of years, we lost contact, and it wasn't until a couple of years ago that we connected back again, and somehow managed to meet now. And yes, it has been an unforgettable experience. Here you will find the cutest ducks in Santa Fe, right next to this wonderful fountain. I am very happy to tell you that this time with my friend has been nothing short of spectacular. We have talked for hours and hours without stopping, catch up on all these more than 20 years that we had not seen each other. And of course, being in Mexico City, we have eaten as if it were our last day. Here Giovanni has been lecturing me about architecture, taking this vast place as an example. I have come to realize something very important, that true friendship is forever, It transcends time and borders. A true friend is like a brother. I am glad to know that my friend is doing well. Friends are the family that you choose, so choose correctly, enjoy them, support them, appreciate them, love them. I hope you enjoyed these images of Parque La Mexicana. The first opportunity you get, come and enjoy this fabulous park that awaits you with all its charms. Thank you so much.